Good morning, students. Today I am going to start revision for the second semester exam. The second semester exam, there is a question that is, pick out the verb from the following sentences and say what tense are they, or write what tense are they. In order to write that answer, you have to write the different forms of the verb and tenses. There are three main tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Each tense has 4 divisions: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Past tense, past continuous, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous. Simple future, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. So in this question, first of all, you have to pick out the verb and you have to tense the what tense it is. So I am going to teach you the forms of verb or forms of different tenses. Present tense and past tense do not have special verb forms. Do not have verb forms. Present tense and past tense do not have verb forms. Each verb has its own form. Each verb has its own form. For example, write is the present tense plural. Walk, present tense plural. Wrote, past tense. Walked, walk, present tense, walked, past tense. But in other cases, we have special verb forms. Using an auxiliary with the main verb. Present continuous, the verb form is am or is or are plus ing form of the verb. That is a verb form of present continuous tense. If you find a verb are plus ing, that is present continuous tense, or is plus ing, it is present continuous. Am plus ing, it is present continuous. When the subject is I, we use am plus ing. When the subject is singular, we use is plus ing, and plural, we plus are plus ing. Example, I am playing, he is playing, they are playing. Here are playing and is playing and are playing are the verb, and they are in present continuous tense. So how to make ing form? Add ing to the base form, we get ing form of the verb. Write base form plus ing is equal to writing, so that is ing form. Running, run plus ing. Play plus ing, playing. Walk plus ing, walking. Take plus ing, taking. So that is to form ing form of the verb. So present continuous tense, if you find a verb with am plus ing, are plus ing form of the verb, or is plus ing form of the verb, it is present continuous tense. Second is present perfect. The verb form is has or have plus past participle. If the subject is singular, has plus past participle. If the subject is plural, we use have plus past participle. And in the case of I, though it is singular, but takes the plural verb I have. He has gone to Rajakot. I have gone to Delhi. They have gone to Mumbai. Have gone, has gone are the verb forms are verb. They are in present perfect. Has or have plus past participle. If you find a verb has gone or have gone, or a verb with has or have plus past participle, yet you can presume, you can conclude that that verb is in present perfect tense. Next is present perfect continuous tense. Has or have plus been, B-double-E-N, plus ing form of the verb. He has been learning English for 3 hours. They have been playing for 3 hours. Here has been learning and have been playing are the verb. They are in present perfect continuous tense. Past tense, I told you that it has its own form. Go, the past tense of go is went. Walk is walked. Run is ran. So it doesn't have special verb forms. But past continuous has verb form. Was or were plus ing form of the verb. When the subject is singular, we use was. He was playing. When subject is plural, we use were plus ing. They were cleaning the classroom. He was singing a song. They were playing, cleaning the classroom. Next, past perfect. Had plus past participle. He had written a letter. But had written is past perfect. Now, present perfect continuous. Has, had or had plus been plus ing form of the verb. Had plus been plus ing form of the verb. He had been playing. He had been running. Here, had been running is the verb, and you have to write down had been running, verb, then tense is past perfect continuous tense. Then future tense, will or shall plus base form of the verb. Here base form, base form, right road, that is right road written. Here right is the base form, the first form of the verb. Base form or simple present plural. I will meet you tomorrow. He will meet me next Sunday. Will meet is the verb, that is future tense. Future continuous, will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. Will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. We will be meeting him. Will be meeting is the verb, that is future continuous tense. Future perfect tense, will or shall plus have plus past participle. Will or shall plus have plus past participle, that is future perfect. He will have met him tomorrow. He will have met him tomorrow. Will have met is the future perfect, is the verb, and it is future perfect tense. Then future perfect continuous tense, will or shall plus have plus be plus ing form of the verb. Will or shall plus have plus be plus ing form of the verb. I will have been completing the paper tomorrow. Will have been completing is a verb, and it is the future tense. So these are the 12 tenses of verb. So if you write this question, pick out the verb and find out what tense, write what tense are they. You have to learn the verb forms and try to find out what verb, pick out the verb and the tense. So if there is no auxiliary, either it will be present tense or past tense. Other cases there are auxiliaries. I hope you understand. Now another question is pick out here you can see a lot of examples. Here pick out the verb and following and say what tense are. Look at it. I brush my teeth every day. Here brush is a verb present tense. They are planning a party. Are planning is a verb, tense, present continuous. Has written is a verb, present perfect. Has been feeling, present verb, continuous. Swam, past tense, simple past tense, verb. Swam, tense, past tense. Was not traveling, was traveling. That is a verb, past continuous tense. Then had left is a verb, past perfect. Had been working, verb, tense, past perfect continuous tense. Will go, that is simple future tense. Will go is a verb, simple future tense. Will be staying, that is verb, future continuous. Will have seen, that is verb, tense, future perfect tense. Will have been studying, that is a verb, tense is future perfect continuous tense. Next is pick out the verb and change as directed. So here also, first of all, you have to find out the verb in the given sentence and the instruction given in the past tense, in the bracket. Here, we live in Kolkata. That is the sentence. And you are asked to change into present perfect continuous. The verb here, we live in Kolkata, is live. That is present tense plural. And you have been asked to change into present perfect continuous. So the answer is, we have been living in Kolkata. Second example, I have taught him English. Have taught is a verb, that is present perfect. You are asked to change into past perfect continuous. So, I had been teaching English. I had been teaching English. So, have taught is changed into had been teaching. Have taught present perfect. Had been teaching is past. Have taught is present perfect. The past perfect continuation had been teaching. That is had plus been plus ing form of the verb. I have taught from English. Have taught present perfect tense. You are asked to change into past perfect continuous. That is had been teaching. I buy a car. Here buy is a verb. You are asked to change into present continuous. I am buying a car. I am buying a car. That is present continuous. Then I ran after the dog. I ran after the dog. Change into past continuous tense. Here ran past tense. You are asked to change into past continuous tense. So it is I am running after the dog. I was running after the dog. Was running is the past continuous tense. I was running after the dog. I met him yesterday. That's a mistake. Spelling mistake. Meet wrong. I met. M-E-T met. I met him yesterday. You are asked to change it simple future tense. So that met is changed into will meet. That is future tense. But the time yesterday should be changed tomorrow. I will meet him tomorrow. I will meet him tomorrow. Please careful. The question is, there is a mistake in the question. Meet, wrong. M-E-T met. I met him yesterday. That is past tense. Meet, met. Meet present tense, met past tense, meet past participle. So yesterday is past. So you have to use past tense. I met him. You are asked to change into simple future tense. So the simple future tense of met is will meet. I will meet. Yesterday should be changed tomorrow. Future tense. I will meet him tomorrow. I was playing cricket. Was playing is the past continuous. So you are asked to change into past tense. So that is I played cricket. Was playing is changed to played. I played cricket. So that is past tense. So these are the things. These are the first section of the revision. That is, these are sure questions. That is, you expect these two questions are sure questions, and sentences are not given. Sentences are from the textbook, and what you have to do is try to find out the verb and tense. You have to pay attention. You have to take pain to learn it. Otherwise, you cannot answer the question. Not only that, you cannot learn grammar. The other grammar portions are also depend on the verb. So, please open the line and study it.